Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on KuCoin. In my last video of KuCoin, I was showing you that it has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart, and after the breakout, it also broke out a key resistance of $7.90. And if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after breaking out this key resistance, it is still struggling to break out another resistance of $13 for the past several weeks as well. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for KuCoin that I shared a few days back on 16th of March 2023 with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal bat move that KuCoin was forming on a daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is still completing this final leg of this bad move and very close to enter this buying zone. And I'm expecting that soon after entering this buying zone, it can start the next price reversal from here. And by the way, this pattern is not formed with US dollar pair, it is formed with Bitcoin pair. And before this trade signal, I shared another harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern in the month of Feb on 13th of Feb 2023 with my members, and this pattern was formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very massive reversal from this buying zone, and this was by the way more than 90% pump on this daily time frame chart. You can see within the next few days it rallied more than 90%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern, and this move I shared by the way in the month of March 2022. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started another very nice reversal, and this was by the way more than 26% pump against Bitcoin, and this pattern was formed on a 12-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I am sharing different such trading signals for you on the daily basis. Now let me take you here on the weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line has broken out a very long-term falling wedge pattern. You can see we entered the wedge here in the month of Feb 2021, and after several attempts, finally the price line has broken out the resistance here in the month of January 2023. And if I place this measurement tool from this low of December 2022 up till this current high of Feb 2023, then you can see it has rallied more than 163%, and for the past several weeks it is struggling to break the next very long-term resistance of $13. Previously, this level of $13 has been working as a very strong support here, and resistance here, and support here, and even support back here in the month of August 2017 as well. Therefore, again, it is working as a very strong resistance for the price line. Once it will be able to break out this resistance, then the next major long-term key resistance will be here at $25. And previously, this $25 level has been working as a support here back in October 2017. And after that, it worked as a resistance here in September 2020. And as a resistance here, support here. And here it was working as a resistance. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, then here KuCoin has formed this rising wedge pattern that I was also showing you in my previous video as well. And here we had a fake out, but the price then re-entered the same rising wedge pattern. And now you can see that the movement is quite squeezed between the support of this rising wedge pattern and this key resistance of $13 that we were watching here on the weekly time frame chart. And now there is a very high probability that soon it may break this pattern. And for example, if it will break down the support, then the target to the downside can be here at the bottom of the pattern of this wedge. That will be approximately at $6. And in case of breaking out this rising wedge pattern, the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $23. And you can see at $25 we have a very long-term resistance, and if the price line reaches at $23, then there will be a probability that it may also try to break out this resistance as well. And the final target for this huge breakout from this falling wedge pattern, and that move is by the way still due, that is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $150. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care, goodbye.